Hello, my dear friends. You are welcome to Joe Newton online class. Now, in this class, we are to study mathematics, and specifically, what we have on the board is perimeters of plane shapes. So, when we talk about plane shapes, we mean flat surfaces that do not have volumes. Like we have the triangle, we have the rectangle, we have all the plane figures, the polygons, they are plane shapes, including the circle. Now, the perimeters are different from the areas. When we talk about the perimeters, we mean the distance round about that plane shape. That is the edges round the plane shape. That is the perimeter. Then when we talk about the areas, we mean the surface content, surface coverage of that shape. That is the area. Then for solids is where we talk about volumes, like containers. Okay, let's look at the question on the board. Here we are asked to find the perimeters of these figures below. The names we are not given, but by the shape you will identify the name, and that will lead you to the formula with which you can now find the solution to the questions. Number one, quickly, we have a triangle with its three sides given as 8 cm, 7 cm, and 6 cm. Of course, this is a scaled triangle because none of the sides is equal to the other. And solution. In solving this, the formula for finding the perimeter of a triangle is simply add the three sides of the triangle. So here, for number one, the perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C, where A, B, and C represent the three sides respectively, which gives us 8 cm plus 7 cm plus 6 cm, which will now give us 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21. We have 21 cm, 21 centimeter. If it is a meter, you leave your answer in meter. Good. This is basic mathematics, but the knowledge is also useful for those in secondary school as well. Now, this is our answer. Remember, the unit is in centimeter or meter according to the question, not in square. We use meter square or centimeter square when we are calculating the word area. Then we use cube when we are talking about the volume of solids or containers. Then number two says we are given a shape, and looking at this shape, you see the identity. This identity shows that it has the sides equal. So that is why one length or a dimension is given. So this is a square, and a square has 4 equal sides. For that reason, the perimeter is simply 4 times one of the lengths given. So for this perimeter of number 2 of the square is equal to 4L. That is here plus here plus here plus here, but they are equal, which is equal to 4 times 12. And quickly, 4 times 12 is 48. So our answer gives 48 centimeter. Simple. Then for number 3 is a rectangle. Look at the rectangle. These two parallel sides are equal, and these two opposite sides are also equal. So for the perimeter of a rectangle, we have that P of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. Yes, because the two lengths are equal and the two breadths are what? Equal, or widths. So 2 bracket L plus B, which is equal to 2 bracket, our length is 8 cm, the longer side, plus our breadth is 5 cm, giving us 2 times, of course bracket means times, you have to work the bracket. 8 plus 5 is 13. 2 times 13 gives us 26 centimeter. That is it for number 3. Okay, we continue. We have number 4 quickly. Number 4, we are asked to find the area of this shape, and that shape is a circle. Now, we are given the radius to be 14 cm. Remember, if we are given if the question gives us the diameter, we have to divide diameter by 2. That is it, to get the radius. So for this, of course, we take pi to be equal to 22/7. That is the constant value of pi. So number 4, the perimeter or circumference. For circle, is either you call it perimeter or the circumference, distance around the circle. So the perimeter or circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. In terms of diameter, you can also work it direct to be what? Pi d. That pi times diameter. Then our p here, or circumference, is equal to 2 times our pi is 22/7 times our radius is 14 cm over 1. So 7 divided itself 1, divides 14 is 2. So we are left with 2 times 2 is 44. We are left with 44 times 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Simply, we have here 88 centimeter as the word perimeter. So with these examples, I believe you'll be able to tackle or solve similar questions that has to do with area of these common or simple plane shapes. We have other plane shapes. So in the subsequent editions or episodes or lessons, we'll be discussing them. And with that, will also lead us into solving or treating the areas of what? Plane shapes. After which, subsequently, we also study about volumes of solid shapes or containers, their capacities. Thank you for paying attention to this class. For more of these tutorials, for even as you are preparing for SSE, maybe WAEC, JAM classes, you can reach out to me through my contact here for online tutorials. Then to enjoy this more, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share and comment so you'll be updated each time I upload new